Hey, Zephyr, can you talk to Mommy? Talk to Mommy. What? Hi, Zephyr. Hey, you. Can you talk to me? Hey, Mommy's over here. Yeah? What do you have to say? What are you saying? Tell me. Tell me. Really? Yeah? What else? What else do you have to say? What else? What? Talk to Mommy. I'm over here. What are you saying? Don't get absorbed in the camera. It's okay. What's going on? Tell Mommy. Hi. Hi, baby. You gonna talk some more? Hey, Zephyr. No? You're not gonna talk? What? Just pretend the camera's not even there. Just talk to Mommy. Huh? Hey, over here. Hey, hi. Yeah? Can you talk to me? I'm over here. Look at Mommy. I'm over here. Yeah? What else? What? What? Talk to Mama. Really? Uh-huh. Yeah, is that what you say? Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh. That's crazy. That's crazy what you have to say. You want that camera so badly, huh? You wanna check it out? Yeah?